When you start selling on Amazon, you discover that you need to learn a very essential skill called PPC ads. However, PPC ads is a very tough skill to master and it is very time consuming. Daily budgets, bids, different types of campaigns. Is there a solution? Of course there is. Let's get started. Imagine if there was a tool, a system, a software that was able to manage your campaigns, your ad campaigns on Amazon 24/7. In this video, we're going to be talking to Ganesh, who is the founder of AI Hello. But before we get started, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society. We help entrepreneurs, brands and businesses launch their products successfully on Amazon in the Middle East. Make sure you watch the video till the end so I can reveal to you a way where you can get a special price to use AI Hello. Let's get started with our interview. So Ganesh, thank you so much for spending your time with me today and for doing this video. So my first question for you is, basically, what do you think are the secrets to having a successful PPC ad campaign? Could it be constantly changing your daily budget, playing around with the bids? How do you consider an ad campaign to be successful, obviously other than the sales?
Gotcha. Interesting question. Most of the people think ads are too complicated, but you have to remember that ads is a very, very extremely simple system. It's an auction system where it picks up the highest bid without any consideration, and then you win it. But if there are equal bids, then it picks up the system, the account, which is the best performing. So to answer your question straight, one of the biggest secret is you always have to keep changing your bid because your competitors are changing the bid. So you have to make sure that you're on top of your ads every single day, changing the bids, make sure you're not losing money, and then keep on increasing or decreasing the bid according to your sales.
So as you know, when you start off on Amazon, or even if you are selling on Amazon, you don't have to be starting off. PPC ads are a skill that requires some time for you to learn. And even PPC ad management is something that additionally requires a lot of time. And here comes in AI Hello. So how can AI Hello, as an AI powered system, how does it work exactly? And how can it help solve this problem, this skills and time problem?
Right. So AI skills is the ad skills is not something that anyone should be focusing on, any of the business people especially, because it's a waste of time. Mostly, if you think of it, it's a boring, mundane job that you have to log in every day, do the same thing. Those are really simple tasks, but it makes no sense to do it every day. Ideally, you have to outsource it to either some people to do it, but as the number of campaigns increase, as the number of keywords increase, you have to hire more people, and then managing those people becomes a problem. And that's why we created this tool. We're also happy to let you know that we're becoming one of the first official Amazon partners for ad management. And this optimizes your bids daily. It knows exactly how much you should bid, and how much you should bid depends on your competitors' bid as well as your own account performance and the product performance. So this AI tool optimizes your bid every single day and every single hour to reach the optimal state so that you're not losing any money and you're increasing your revenues.
What about campaigns? Does it actually create campaigns, or you have to create your own campaign?
Absolutely. At this moment, we only support sponsored product for creating campaigns. What we call as automation, as autopilot, we support for sponsored displays, sponsored brands, and sponsored product. But if you have to create a campaign, we only support sponsored product. You can just go ahead in our dashboard, enter the list of SKUs. If you have 100 SKUs, we can create all the campaign in a few seconds. You don't have to spend hours on Amazon trying to create the right structure, at the right keyword, at the right bid. Each campaign would take you at least 4 or 5 minutes on Amazon. And if you have 100 SKUs, it'll take you 100 into 5 minutes. On AI Hello, we do all of it automatically. We create the campaigns at the right keyword, create the manual keyword, link them up and put it on autopilot in a few seconds.
Even if it was a new product, or does it have to be a product that's been available on Amazon for quite some time with ads maybe?
Yeah. So there are a couple of ways we manage it. Ideally, the best way is that if you have already sold that product and we have history for that, so we know what keyword that is and we pick it up.
Yeah.
If the product has not been sold, then we query Amazon for the recommended keyword. Sometimes Amazon itself fails to give the recommended keyword. So we say, okay, can you please enter some keywords for this product because we have no idea what it is. So there are a couple of steps in which, we do that create campaign feature.
So in the beginning, it takes a little bit of time maybe to set it up perfectly, but then once it's set up, it just manages automatically. It manages the campaigns automatically. Perfect.
Definitely. So I was in e-commerce. I used to sell on e-commerce a long time back. I used to work for eBay as well, in the data analytics part. And then I moved on to Amazon. I've been selling on Amazon, and I noticed that Amazon is now investing a lot into ads, which might be good news for sellers, but it also means a lot of the sellers lose everything they have. They become bankrupt in the first year. So if you survive the first year, you will essentially, survive the rest of your journey. I think around 80 to 90% of the sellers, they go bankrupt in the first year, and majority of them lose all the money in the ads. It's like what you said, you have to learn about ads, you have to keep on modifying it, you have to keep on the top of the competition. It's a tough job. And what we have seen is that if you can automate all of it, because it's all, regular, same type of task, changing the bids on gut feeling. And we say, we'll do all of it, but we'll do it on a scientific basis. And if you're on top of your ad game, there's a very high chance of success.
Thank you so much to Ganesh and the AI Hello team. If you want to find out about AI Hello and start using it, all you need to do is to go to the AI Hello website, register, and then you can add your marketplace and your Amazon account, and it will be integrated together. It's a very simple system. Now, if you subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button, and you leave a comment in the comment section below, then you can open the description box of this video and you can find a special coupon code to use for AI Hello to get a discount for using their system, special for the Amazon Sellers Society family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you thumbs up so more people can discover it and share it with like-minded people. And I will see you in another video with more information. Bye.